just a closet.
It's a room. You could walk into it and do a little spin.
I think it's room adjacent.
Okay.
Rebecca and Ryan are the cutest neighbors ever.
I'm Rebecca.
And I'm Ryan. Our family includes our daughter, Leona.
And our rescue pit bull dog, Griffey.
They definitely need a little bit of help with their, well, it's really a laundry closet.
Right now, it houses all kinds of random stuff, like suitcases and diapers and everything.
Well, I mean, if you look at the pictures, they have a small laundry room that is very disorganized, and the storage solutions they have put in it are no longer really solutions.
Right.
They're problems as well.
Given how much time we spend doing laundry on a daily basis, it would mean so much to have it be a place where you actually enjoy spending time in. If it feels more homey and more comfortable, then I think it would just make the task that much easier.
Being a new mom, I totally get the laundry situation, so we need to make this much more luxe, zen, happy place for her.
We're so excited to see what Mina and Karen are going to do with our space.
Very excited.
Rebecca and Ryan's wish list is very straightforward. They want better storage.
They do. Right now, they've got these plastic bins, drawers, shelves that those are already overflowing, so we need to give them something that's going to be more functional. Definitely need better lighting. They have really high ceilings, so the builder grid light that's up there really isn't casting a lot of light in the space. I want to do something that's going to give them more light and actually be a statement piece in the room.
They want a luxury feel.
Yes, because they both spend a lot of time in the room, and right now, this looks very anxiety-producing. So I want to give them a feel of, oh, this is relaxing to be in here while I'm doing load after load after load.
We are so grateful to have Mina and Karen to come help and make our lives a little more organized and comfortable.
So even though it looks like they already have a pretty nice color on the walls, I think the first thing we do is a fresh coat of paint.
Definitely. Any of them will look good with the wall outside of that space.
We have a very nice, well-maintained tile floor.
Yeah.
And any of these colors would go with that.
Yeah.
But you know what? I just can't help it.
Yeah, I love sea salt.
I love sea salt. And then the other design element that we want to bring in, I would like to hypnotize you with this beautiful crystal knob.
That might be a little more glam than Rebecca is.
How about I hypnotize you with this beautiful crystal knob?
That's more in the right direction, I think.
Okay, because I think these are clean and simple, and look how pretty these look together. It was
Those
like
look really pretty together.
match made in heaven.
I think these would actually be great for the doors, if I could make the doors work. And I want to do a big chandelier. I don't know exactly what kind yet, but because everything else in the space is going to be taken up pretty much by the stacked laundry and the wardrobes, our opportunities for wow are our pulls, maybe a nice rug, and the chandelier. I want to stack the washer and dryer over in this corner.
Okay.
And then I want the wardrobe unit for storage to come all the way around the corner. So all of that is wardrobe.
And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make a folding table, and it's gonna hang on the wall right there. That's how much space it's gonna take up.
Okay. I feel like we've got a pretty good plan.
Whatever the chandelier is, I would like my tabletop to match. So keep that in mind when you're picking a chandelier.
Okay. So in this space, I think we're gonna be able to do it for under 17. And that might seem high, but I want to budget a good chunk of money for a really, really cool light fixture.
Okay.
And then we have a lot of storage in here, and that corner unit is a little pricey. So those two things are what's gonna kick it up a notch.
But they are what's gonna make all the difference in this space, so
Yes.
it's worth spending the money.
I think our dream laundry room would be a place where we felt like we wanted to spend time.
Right.
Because we are in there so often.
We'll start this process by clearing out the space.
You know, some people have said I'm kind of like Michelangelo, but
Well, I was gonna say more.
I tell 'em-
I was gonna say Picasso.
Picasso?
Yeah.
Hey, man, I'll take it. Okay.
We're gonna give everything a fresh coat of paint, and we're gonna use sea salt because it'll work really well with the paint that's in their hallway currently.
1, 2, 3.
Stacking the washer and dryer gives us room for more cabinet space.
That fits right in there.
Yep.
Snug as a bug in a rug.
How's it look against the wall?
That's beautiful.
We're gonna install closed storage that's 93 inches tall on the rest of the surrounding walls to give them as much storage as possible. We're definitely gonna install a new light fixture, and we're going a little wild on this one.
When you have small square footage but high ceilings, drawing the eye up is a crafty way to make the space feel bigger, and this beautiful chandelier does the job perfectly.
The next thing is the fun part where we get to add in all the pretty things.
And I get to install my special touch, which is a fold-down folding table.
I am positive Rebecca and Ryan are gonna love this, and they better, because they live across the street from me, and if they don't, I'm gonna hear about it. But I think we checked everything off their wish list.
Excellent.
Yeah. We're gonna count to 3 and then let you guys open your eyes and see your new space.
Okay.
1, 2, 3. Open.
Oh.
my
wow. That looks
so
amazing.
good.
That is awesome.
This drab laundry closet has been transformed into a powerhouse luxury laundry oasis.
Oh my gosh, it looks amazing.
Awesome.
So obviously you guys needed lots of clothes storage, so we have tons of cabinetry over here. We stacked the washer and dryer so we could do that and make more use of your super tall ceilings. We've got all kinds of goods in here. We gave you as much clothes storage as possible.
That's perfect.
Oh my gosh.
I mean, and that's just like the edge of your storage. You have so much.
Yes.
Babe, look at that chandelier.
I love that.
Who doesn't want a fantastic chandelier hanging over them when they're doing laundry?
I love that.
This new chandelier will light their way through any late night laundry sessions.
We wanted to add a little glam, so we got that. We've got the fur rugs, super soft.
This, oh, and then a little yoga stool. Look at her little coat and hat.
Oh, that's awesome.
Oh my gosh.
Rebecca and Ryan both really wanted a luxury feel, so between the chandelier and the crystal knobs and the soft blue color, we've definitely given them a luxury laundry experience.
I have a little surprise for you. You have to step back.
Back up just a smidgen.
I'm a little short, that's why I brought Leona's stool in. I know you fold laundry all day long.
Oh, wow.
my gosh.
So it's a folding laundry folding table.
I love that.
And I tried to make a finish match the capiz shells. And when you're all done, it folds right back up. And you put little love notes there.
That is amazing.
Wow.
When you have a small space like this, something that you can fold out of your way when you're not using it is great.
Awesome.
That is excellent.
We had budgeted $1,700 and we came in right on the nose. You definitely could get the functionality of this for less, but we went a little wild on our chandelier and spent a little bit extra for them.
Oh my God, I love it. Thank you so much.
Our laundry room is now incredible. They did a wonderful job. They really knocked it out of the park. We have more storage than we could even imagine, which is exactly what we needed. So we're just so grateful and thankful for that. It's awesome.
Job well done.
Oh yeah, this is
Oh
awesome.
yeah.
This is perfect.
Snacks in the laundry room. It's my kind of laundry room.
Diapers and wipes, we got it covered.
We got it covered.